MARCOBRE is a Peruvian company which is supported by Minsur, the mining division of Breca Group, and Alxar International, who represents Empresas Copec. These companies have entrusted us with the development of Mina Justa, a world-class mining project which, based on its corporate values, respect for the community, care for the environment, and standard-setting social management, is building the future of mining in Peru with the highest security standards. Mina Justa is in the Ica region, within the province of Nazca, located 35 kilometers from the district of San Juan de Marcona, which is 490 kilometers south of Lima. Its average altitude is 800 meters above sea level, with a predominantly warm, moderately windy climate. With an investment amounting to a total of $1.6 billion, Mina Justa is an open-pit copper deposit with a projected useful life of 16 years, from which the mineral will be removed to be processed. In order to achieve this, Mina Justa will have two processing plants available, one for oxide ore and one for sulfides. There are two open pits, the main pit and another smaller one called Manto Magnetita. In addition, there are 3 waste dumps and 1 tailings dump. The operation activities begin with the drilling and mining of the main pit, where stage 1 is being developed in accordance with the established mining plan. After the blasting has been performed in the pit, the process of loading and transporting the fragmented material to either the waste dump, the primary oxide plant crusher, or the primary sulfide plant crusher begins. After the primary crushing process is completed, part of the material is transported via a conveyor belt to the oxide plant, and the other part to the sulfide plant. At the oxide plant, the material goes through 3 additional crushing processes, to then be loaded onto a leaching train composed of 15 concrete pools, where the leaching process begins. Afterwards, the enriched solution is pumped to the solvent extraction circuit, from which the highest copper concentrate solution is extracted, and then recovered via an electrowinning circuit process, obtaining a final product of copper cathodes of 99.99% purity. The leached waste from the oxide processing shall be stored in a waste dump located northeast of the oxide plant. In addition to the oxide processing, at the sulfide plant, the fragmented material is subjected to an additional crushing and grinding process using high-pressure mills, HPGR, and a ball mill, where the mineralized rock is reduced in size to fine particles. After this process, it proceeds to a flotation circuit, where the separation of valuable particles is performed, to then go through a thickening and filtration process, thereby obtaining a high-quality copper concentrate as the final product. In order to process the oxide mineral, Mina Justa will have a multi-buoy terminal at the Bay of San Juan, exclusively for the reception and storage of sulfuric acid, a supply fundamental to the operational process. Parallel to the multi-buoy terminal, a seawater intake and pumping duct shall be constructed, traveling 36 miles before arriving to the processing plant at Mina Justa. At the end of the processing, the copper cathodes and concentrates shall be transported by land to their shipping port in Pisco for subsequent commercialization. Mina Justa presents a great opportunity for the country, generating jobs and commercial opportunities within its areas of influence. MARCOBRE is committed to local development, promoting activities that generate alternate incomes, benefiting the population, and at the same time building a harmonious relationship with our neighbors and interest groups.